300. It looked a really good strip, but then the ball started stopping and it was turning as well.
Well, of course, it was turning. That was because we read the wicket wrongly. That was one of the reasons why we played with three seamers. But it went in our favour to an extent because the seamers, they bowled really well in this game. And the spinners came into action. That was really good. There's one game where I didn't have to use any extra bowlers. Just five bowlers doing the job for us. So it was really fantastic.
And when you were out there in the field, when you saw your fast bowlers doing well, did you tell them to take the pace of the ball? Because Munaf Patel bowled particularly well, did he?
Well, that's his strength because we don't have bowlers who can bowl 140 plus. Ashish is a rhythm bowler. Once he gets going, he can bowl 138, 140 odd kilometers. Zach once in a while, but overall we rely on what you can say is deception. Change in length, line, change of plans, and that really works. Zach is brilliant at it, and Munaf, over the years with T20 cricket, IPL, and everything, he has become really smart.
Well, you've been in a World Cup final before as captain, the 2020 World Cup. What's your feelings for Mumbai?
Well, it's a dream before the start of the tournament. What we said was, it's very important to peak at the right time. Throughout the tournament, we didn't have any easy games. Every game that we played, we had to struggle. That's the beauty of this game. Nothing comes easy. And the good thing, we have chased quite a few decent scores. We have batted first overall. Everybody have been tested, whether it's the bowler or the batsman. So overall, I think we are quite ready for the finals, but you have to be at your best, on that particular day.
Well played today. Tremendous performance. Good luck for Mumbai. One match to go.
Thanks a lot.
MS Dhoni, captain of the Indian team. And now the man of the match for today's game. He's one player who's played in all India-Pakistan World Cup matches since 1992 and finished on the winning side all the time. For his 86 runs today, Sachin Tendulkar will get the Man of the Match award. And Mr. Manu Soni will give him the trophy. Manu Soni, the Managing Director, ESPN Star Sports. Well, Sachin, many congratulations. Go to your hometown for a final.
Yes, first of all, I'd like to thank everyone here for terrific support. Without that, it wouldn't have been possible. Thank you very much. And then, not to forget the team's effort. I thought it was brilliant the way we bowled and we fielded was absolutely fabulous.
At your innings today, you had your share of luck, but the pitch, did it change through the course of the innings?
Well, initially Viru got us off to a flyer, so that gave us a little bit of extra time to just check what's happening when the wicket slowed down a bit. When the spinners were bowling, I thought it was not easy to score runs in singles, but we just had to play out few overs and make sure that we get to a decent total, a fighting total, and we kept losing wickets, which ideally we didn't want, and then I just felt overall towards the end, even Raina played something really special. Those runs really were important for us.
Yes, because when you started the game, you might have thought 270, 280 is par for the course, but once the ball started turning, just holding up, maybe 260 was a good score in the end.
Well, when we started, I was thinking of 310, 315, which was par score according to me. But the way the ball was stopping and coming to the spinners, I thought 265, 270 would be a good fighting total.
And now, 2 days to go, and you're in Mumbai, in your hometown, a World Cup final, something you waited for a long, long time.
Yes, going back to Mumbai, especially for this event, it's a wonderful occasion, and all I want to say is that we want to be calm, focus on our job, and get the job done.
5 matches against Pakistan in World Cups, and you finish on the winning side all the time.
Yes, it's been memorable, all 5 matches, and something which I will always cherish throughout the life.
Well, Sachin, many congratulations. Well done today. Good luck for Mumbai.
Thank you.
Sachin Tendulkar, the man of the match in today's game. So India go through to the final of the World Cup. That's it from the presentation area.
Measured responses from MS Dhoni and Sachin Tendulkar, and brilliant stuff.